Right, let's see how this goes. Nice! Hey guys, Mohammed here again. So I am a huge fan of RGB, LED lights or anything colourful and flashy. You could sell me a teaspoon that lights up and I would literally buy it off you ASAP. So when Bozhihong reached out to me asking to review their Starlight projector, believe me, I wasted no time in saying yes. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Starlight projector and see if this product is really worth purchasing. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please hit that like and subscribe button to support your boy. I'd really appreciate that. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I'm not sure if you guys have seen Starlights in cars like the Rolls Royce, because this product is definitely giving me those type of vibes. The Bozhihong Star Projector is basically a nightlight that contains an LED cloud nebula which has a range of colours to choose from. In addition to the nebula clouds, the projector can also emit laser stars which can both be controlled by the remote included inside, which has an infrared sensor with a range of 15 meters. The stars and cloud effect can work in unison or display independently with a projection coverage of 550 feet. You get 16 different color combos to choose from. However, unfortunately the stars can't be changed and can only be set to green. Furthermore, from a certification perspective, the device is FCC, CE and RoHS certified and has an energy class rating of A+. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 840 grams and has a height of 24 centimeters. The material is made from plastic, which feels pretty strong and sturdy. On front, you have the projector light, which displays the nebula clouds, as well as the star lasers on top. Towards the bottom, you have the 5 adjustable stands. And finally, towards the back, you have the power input. In terms of packaging, on front, you have an image and name of the star projector, as well as example color combinations, which you can use. Towards the bottom, you have an image again. On the side, you have some product details. And finally, on top, you have some product information. Inside the box, you get the Bozhihong Star Projector, as well as one power cable and a user manual on how to set up. The setup process is very easy. Start by connecting your power cable into the Star Projector and then insert 2 AAA batteries into the remote. There are no batteries included inside, so just make sure you have some batteries laying around at home. Hit the power button while pointing the remote to the projector and you should be good to go from here. Now for some testing. In this section of the video, I'm just going to cycle through the different modes that come with the Bozhihong Star Projector. Once the device is turned on, you are presented with the default mode, which has both the nebula clouds and laser starlights enabled. By default, the speed of the nebula clouds and stars is on the highest setting, and the color combo is set to randomly display all the colors available. Here I will gradually reduce the speed, and personally, I think the medium setting looks the best to me. You can also cycle through the different colors available, which include blue, red, green, amongst others as well. In addition, you can also disable the starlights to only display the nebula clouds or vice versa. Finally, you can also adjust the brightness level to either 30, 60 or 100%. Before we summarize guys, if you found today's video helpful or just simply enjoyed watching it, please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it really does mean a lot to me. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, I gotta say guys, having the product run in the background with my living room lights turned off while watching a movie is definitely a vibe and an awesome experience. The lights really do help set the mood and is just satisfying to stare at. I find myself sometimes just laying on the sofa and staring at the ceiling, which I know sounds super crazy, but honestly guys, I'm no expert in therapy and I can definitely confirm that the Bozhihong Star Projector does indeed feel therapeutic to look at. My only complaint is that the default laser star color can't be changed. However, as a whole, the Bozhihong Star Projector is a device you should definitely look into. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Bozhihong Star Projector from Amazon for around £46. However, Bozhihong have kindly sponsored today's video, and you can find a link to their product portfolio, including the Starlight Projector, in the description below. But that's all from me guys. What are your thoughts on star projectors, and is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.